it was one of the things that I've actually never experienced where demand outweighed supply. Staying nimble and flexible as a business leader is one of the most important things, whether it's a family company or any company. Markets change, environments change, things are uncertain. Look at COVID. The fact that we were able to be flexible and nimble and pivot to create cotton masks for the public was really an illustration of how we were nimble in a time where you really had no choice. How were we able to do that? Is having a great team, trusted partners that can, when you need something, they're there for you. And during that time, again, trusted partners was the key. If we didn't have trusted partners in manufacturing and trusted partners at the retail level, we would never have been successful in that year. When the CDC said to the American public that it's time to stop wearing PPE, those were healthcare masks in 95s, and now it's time to wear cotton masks. We, of course, that's in our wheelhouse. You know, we're talking about fabrics that we use all the time, and it had to come to market really fast. So we designed masks. We had them fit by local tailors. We had nobody here sewing. So it was really a shoestring operation to get it started. We pitched it, and our retailers, again, trusted partners in the retail world, they loved it. And it came so fast that it was one of the things that I've actually never experienced where demand outweighed supply.